Today we are here to prove an activity, actually a mathematical activity. In this activity we are having these two 3D shapes. One is cylindrical and the other is cuboidal. And their surface areas are equal. But in this activity we will prove, though their surface areas are equal but yet their volumes are not equal. That is, cylindrical has a greater volume than the cuboidal one. So that is why it is much better to have cylindrical pipes and other examples as in our real life, and we will prove this by this activity.
Quite a few of you must have noted that whenever we have those wheat boxes, huge, where we keep our wheat, particularly all those whose parents are into farming, why that is cylindrical in shape? Why not cuboidal?
Because they have this
That's the only reason. That's the
Yeah.
reason. We have never asked our parents, or perhaps they may also not be able to explain it.
Yes.
Now I am going to put rice in the cylindrical shape. This is the volume of this cylindrical shape.
Now we will put the rice in the cuboidal shape. Now we will put in the measuring container to measure the volume of the cuboidal shape.
Yes. So here we can conclude, we can actually visualize very well that the volume of the cylindrical container is greater than the volume of the cuboidal container, though they have the same surface areas, the same nets, right? So that is the reason why in our real life as well we can visualize that our blood vessels through which our blood flows, so they are cylindrical. Why? Because the rate of flow also increases as it has more volume.
Rate of flow is fast,
Yeah.
as compared to
And because its volume is greater than this cuboid.
and the electronic wires भी cylindrical है.
Yes, they are well
Nib of the pen.
And
It is
the
also
water,
cylindrical, so that flow is
as well as the refill is also cylindrical.
And the water pipes in our house, they are also cylindrical because the flow of water in the cylindrical is more.
Yeah.
It's
So
fast
it's fast. So
as compared to other machines.
yes, thank you.
Any question, boys? Does it make sense, or do you have any question?